today's video guys, grabe guys. 1 week na walang kuryente dito sa Nueva Ecija. You see guys, to all my friends guys, tignan look guys, oh, makikicharge lang kami dito sa plaza guys. There's so many people there. Ayun guys. Look, walang kuryente dito sa Carmen Nueva Ecija. Halos 1 week na po. So nandito kami sa plaza ngayon at nag-charge. So may naligo pa tayong singer dun guys. Did you see the singer in the light in front of there? Yes. I think Kuya is the best. Dahil guys, wala kaming kuryente. Pati ako guys, nandito guys para makicharge. Guys. There's a lot of things. There's of people guys. Ito po guys, nagkalat ng mga